Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your OBS studio on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to set up your OBS studio on your computer, after you have installed it, open it and the interface will be like this. Now to start from over here, first after seeing this interface, you will find the scenes, the sources, the audio mixer, the scene transitions and the control tabs over here with their particular settings and sources over here. Now to start to set up your OBS studio to record, either to stream, or first you will be required to add a scene over here. To right click on this panel over here under the tab of scenes, and you can see the grid mode and the add option available. Click on add and a new scene will be added to your scenes tab and click on OK. I'll not be clicking on OK because I have already a scene available over here through which we are recording this video. And after adding your scene, you can see your source over here. You can choose many sources. Again, if you right click on the empty space of this tab, you can see this add with the dialog box or the pop-up appear, and if you hover on add, all these options will be available to you through the application audio capture, audio input capture, to the window capture with your VLC player, media sources, image glide, so you can also capture your video capture with your video capture device if you have a camera or a mobile or webcam connected to your computer. You can video capture from your device from over here. And after choosing your media source, and let's add a media source. You can see, let's go with the window capture for instance. Let's click on OK, and you can see we'll be required to choose a window over here, but no currently windows are activated, so you can choose your window from over here. Let's click on cancel for current, and on the window capture you can see the device not connected or not available. Click over there, and we are getting some kind of error because we are recording the video right now. And let's delete. Now to delete your media capture device, you can see that you will be required to highlight or click on the media source, and after that there is a delete button available at the bottom of the screen. On that tab, click on delete and click on OK, and that media source will be deleted. And after that, here is your audio mixer. You can mix all of your audio from over here. You can reduce your noises and highlight the main vocals from over here. Also, there is your scene transitions. How do you want your transition between your scenes? Here is the fade option available, or the fade scene transition available or enabled right now. There is the cut. If you want to add another scene transitions, you can see the plus button over here. Click on plus, and there is the swipe, slide, stinger, fade to color, luma wipe effect still available on scene transitions. Now to optimize your settings for recording your streaming or your videos, you can see the settings option available at the bottom right corner of your screen, just above the exit. Click on settings, and this pop-up will appear, where on the left side of this pop-up you can see the stream, the output option available over here. If you want to stream your video anywhere, you can enter your stream key over here, and after that, after entering your stream key, click on apply and OK. And after you click on start streaming, you will be starting to stream on wherever, either Twitch, YouTube, all these platforms from OBS studio you want to stream on will be started streaming from OBS. Let's go with the YouTube RTMPS for now, and just click on apply and OK. Before you click on OK, the main settings of the video will be on the output. You can see the output option available over here and the video option available over here. You can choose your base canvas resolutions, output scale resolutions, downscale filter from over here. And but to choose your dimensions on your recording, click on output or output dimensions. You can see the streaming and the recording tab over here. Click on recording, and all these options will be available to you. Since we are still recording the video, all these options are not available, but we can still see it. Where there is the type standard, if you click on it, there will be the FFmpeg codec available. If you want to go through that, you can go to that. If you're a beginner, just stick to the standard, and your recording path will be available over here. On which folder do you want the OBS studio to save your videos? Will be this pathed video or this pathed folder. And after that, you can choose your recording format over here, which is the MP4. Because I'm recording, I'll not be able to change it. You can choose your audio tracks. Currently I'm recording only on a solo audio track. If you want many audio tracks, if your audio mixer also you can enable these 3, 4, 5, 6 opt tracks, and this many number of audio tracks will be available on your video. And you can choose your video encoder over here. If you have installed the graphics card or the NVIDIA GeForce on your computer, the NVIDIA will be over here on the encoder after you click on it. And if you have not yet, if you don't have a graphics card, simply go with the X2064 because it's good for the beginners or low-end computers. And after that, after choosing your graphics card, you can go to the encoder settings over here. But before that, here is a rescale out on which size do you want your video to be in. You can choose your video scale to 1920 into 1080 to 880 into 720 from over here with different dimension. If you click over there, and on the bottom there is our encoder settings for video recording. Rate control is CBR for me. If you're a beginner and don't know much about the rate controls and encoder settings, stick to CBR. And if you want a professional on this, you can go through your way, but this is the platform how you do it. And enter your bitrate to 6000 kbps because YouTube and Twitch like servers or the platform or streaming platforms require a bitrate of 4000 to 5000 kbps. If you enter it to 6000 kbps, if you put it to the 6000 kbps, it will be balanced somehow. And these are the settings for a low-end computer over here. Put your CPU usage precision to ultra fast and your keyframe interval to 0 seconds with your profile high and your tune to 0 latency over here. Don't screw this up if you don't know it. Click on apply and OK, and after that you will have optimized your video output, and then click on start recording or start streaming to do whatever you want to do with your OBS Studio. And there guys, this is how you set up your OBS Studio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.